cat was stuck on Bobby's roof. Bobby was afraid of heights, so his father dealt with the situation. He leant a ladder against the wall and climbed up with a fish. He threw the fish onto the roof, and when the cat smelt the fish, it walked over. And that was when Bobby's father caught the cat. What has just happened? A cat was stuck on the roof, and Bobby's father has dealt with the situation. He has leant a ladder against a wall, and he has climbed up with a fish. He has thrown the fish on the roof, and when the cat has smelt the fish, it has walked over, and Bobby's father has caught it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.